Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the workbook so the user form behaves predictably. Open a new file, enable the Developer tab and save as Excel SM. Insert a user form and immediately add core controls, text box for input, combo box for choices, and command button for actions. Name each control logically, TXT name, CBO type, BTN submit, because clear names prevent confusion later. Once done, set tab index to control focus order. This makes navigation smooth for users who prefer keyboard input. Now write the code behind the form to make it functional. In Userform, initialize populate controls and set default values so the form opens ready to use. For BTN, submit click validate fields with if, then checks, trimming strings and verifying required values. Separate logic into modular subs, save record, clear form, and show error to keep code readable and reusable. Make sure to use meaningful variable names and comment brief intent lines. This helps when updating behavior or troubleshooting later. Finish by testing and deploying the user form like software. Run scenarios, valid entries, missing fields, and wrong types. Log issues to a hidden sheet so you can audit behavior. Assign a macro to a ribbon button or a keyboard shortcut for quick user access. If something breaks, the most common fix is to enable option explicit and recompile. This reveals misspelled names and missing variables. Make sure to save a backup copy before wide deployment to avoid accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.